Hi, we are back in the wood shop this week and we are going to be routing out the slots in the plywood using my jig that I made last time. I have the plywood here, I need to measure it out and then we'll get to it. So I have the teak veneer here already marked out. I'm going to use a box cutter to cut it with a straight edge, which I put somewhere around here, with a straight edge to help get a good clean cut. I need to make enough 2 foot long by 2 1/4 inch wide strips to cover the entire plywood. So I'm going to just cut it all up into that size of strip. So we're finally at the point in the project where I get to route it out, and this is going to start accelerating a lot quicker, hopefully. So let's get to it. Cool. So as a reminder of what this is actually going to look like, let's test fit this. That will be wedged in there nice and tight, glued down, and we're going to have the teak on either side, straddling it. So this is coming along very nicely. I'm very pleased with the results so far. Alright, we're going to knock out the rest of these. I can't really move the camera right now because it is on the charger as I'm filming, but I'll try to figure it out. So, that piece of wood is looking pretty groovy. Just to give you an idea of what we got, these slots came out very nice. I'm very pleased with them. The next step will be to lay these strips out. I'm going to glue these onto the wood, and they'll have to probably dry overnight. The good thing is that I can leave them here overnight, and you'll notice that I made them ever, if the camera will point at it, there you go. I made them ever so slightly bigger than the slots, that way I can trim them down to the correct size and they will fit perfectly, hopefully. So I will do that and show you the final result in just a bit. this next step, it's important that you have a fresh chicken. This one is about 2 years old and pretty fresh, so let's get to it. These are now clamped and drying. I will leave them here for about half an hour. According to the glue, that's all they need for clamping, and then I will come back and do the next section. And hopefully tonight I will have all of these finished. I'd like to leave them all curing at the same time, and then when we come back we'll clean them up and stain them to color them, put the hardwood bits in between, and go from there. Now it is looking like I know what I'm actually doing. I'm going to leave it overnight, probably for the whole week actually. After 30 minutes I'll be able to take these clamps off, and I'll flip it upside down and leave it like that until I come back to it, and we'll do the staining and the rest of it then. Bye.